about some woman, be CJ Milan, big up yourself, the things that you're doing for dancehall, the great things them what you do for dancehall. Me not hear nobody talk about it. CJ Milan is the people where I keep all of the big stadium show them.
A few moments later.
CJ Milan is responsible for the show that Vybz Kartel did when he came back from being incarcerated. Where them say dancehall dead. Remember say them root out dancehall and say dancehall can't do this and the person you can't sell out. Then she come back on Alkaline. She put in the big stadium again. Sold out event again.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People are going, I don't know, one Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man. You know things set. So, see Spice run out, you don't know, talk something about CJ Milan and, you know, the whole dancehall space and, you know, first and foremost, I have to big up CJ Milan. Yeah, man. Big up CJ Milan. So it's like CJ Milan are like, you don't know, we are go on a journey. Dancehall are go on a journey. And CJ Milan are the driver. You see me? Yeah. And for dancehall, get a highlight and reach from point A to point B and C, she a carry it there so by just having the house with a keep and so you can get the highlight there. You see me? But you don't know CJ been a do her thing. You see, she been a do her thing long time. You see me? It's just everything happened during the time and the highlights and everything. You see it? Yeah, man. So you don't know. Big up CJ. Yeah, man. A one dancehall.
You know you need that whole TikTok for yourself because I have to come talk about you the things where you do for dancehall too, you know, CJ Milan. Since as me I talk about some woman, be CJ Milan, big up yourself, the things that you're doing for dancehall, the great things them what you do for dancehall. Me not hear nobody talk about it. CJ Milan is the people where I keep all of the big stadium show them. Sold out.
Yeah, man, and you know, you don't know CJ, you know, she been a keep her brand and you know, everything just happen at the right time where you don't know she have the arena thing them. You don't know Cartel, Alkaline, the whole dancehall. I think she have a show in Atlanta. You see me, I forward up. I think they got May the 23rd. Or so? Yeah. I think I May the 22nd. You don't know Atlanta. Yeah, Reggae Face. You don't know Spice. Everybody I got there. You see me? Yeah. Beanie Man, Movado, and some more other act. You see it. So you don't know a dancehall. And one thing me say, I rate dancehall and you know, I want to see the genre reach certain level. You see it? Yeah, want to keep on it growing. So it's a good look. You see me? And CJ make it happen. Yeah. As me say, I share drive. You see it? And she can make sure say, yo, reach this a safe. Everything I grow. You see it?
CJ, I want them something here. I have a show in Atlanta on the 23rd of May. So I want all I want to see the 8,900 down. All I want to need for come support the event. 23rd of May, right to Atlanta. In a State Farm Arena. We never see a lineup with big and nice. So first see a lineup big and nice. So a Spice I got there at that event then. Oh, Spice is going to be at State Farm Arena May 23rd.
Yeah, man, it's a good lineup. I think Spice I got there. Beanie Man, Movado, I think Ding Dong I got there, Mataran, TOK. Yeah, Spice. Yeah, Tony Mataran. Yeah. I see what? And some more act. You see me, I got there. Them I do them thing. You see, it's a good lineup, people. That show there, it will go on with the thing. Good lineup that. You see it.
All kind of people are going to on the show. The Elephant Man are going to on the show. Beanie Man are going to on the show. What's the on the show, CJ Milan? Me never see a lineup nice, so you get a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Vanessa Bling are going to on the show. One man, yeah. Make sure you come support that the 23rd of May, right at State Farm in Atlanta. Big top event.
Yeah, you know, a Spice place that, you know. Yeah.
ticket in Atlanta and come celebrate and support it and big up yourself, CJ Milan. It's all about you. One CJ Milan on the app. The things that you're doing for dancehall is unheard of, and I don't see a lot of people talking about it enough as I would want them to. You literally revive dancehall, save it, and rejuvenate it, and you are a part of the blueprint. Because I'm telling you, CJ Milan is responsible for the show that Vybz Kartel did when he came back from being incarcerated, when he sold out the Barclays back to back to back, giving us all these platforms where them say dancehall dead. Remember, say them root out dancehall and say dancehall can't do this and the person can't sell out. Then she come back on Alkaline. She put in the big stadium again, sold out event again. So you're doing a lot for dancehall, and I think we need to come in you more often. As a woman, as
Yeah, man, for real, man. You see me? Cause I saw a thing go. Everybody I do what them can do. You see, at the end of the day, everybody a contribute to dancehall. Everybody a represent for dancehall. That's how the culture is stay, but you don't know things set already. You know dancehall. You know, sometime in a level. You see me? But at the end of the day, anybody I do great things, I see him dancehall, them I do great for. You see me? And CJ, yeah man, yeah, like if she do what she do, trust me, it's a good look for sure. It's like she have the house where dancehall can keep, like, you know, she have book the artist them every little thing, you see me? And I highlight it on a big scale. You know, the arena them, every little thing she do. You see me? And it's a good look, people, man, I tell you. It's a good look. Yeah man, car look you now. Is it CJ, you don't know business. You see me? You don't know in everything you have politics and you have this and that. But at the end of the day, she stick to the business. Yeah, everybody good. She just got through. At the end of the day, dancehall is very important to her. You see me? So no matter which artist or whatsoever, the whole of them are one to her. You see me? So I just one of them thing there. And we have to big her up for that, because you don't have much promoter where I put we in a them big house, a them big arena, yeah, for kind of highlight it on a bigger scale. You don't know dancehall, is it? Yeah man, you see me?
well. So big up yourself as a black woman. One CJ Milan. We didn't have to do an intermission and talk about that. Big up yourself, CJ Milan. You're doing a lot for dancehall music. Yeah, you know.
So yeah man, you see, so you don't know Irish chin forward out, you know. Must see a thing, you know, based on CJ Milan, and you don't know the show Alkaline do and every little thing. You see it? Yeah. Yeah man, so we're going Irish chin, I say.
But I also gotta say shout out to CJ Milan, right? And here's why I'm saying big up to CJ Milan, right? Vision is something that a lot of people don't have in our culture. Normally what we do is follow the trends of whatever everybody else was doing before us that we see work, right? Yes, we're celebrating Alkaline, but we also have to give some of Alkaline's celebration to her being able to, you know, take that risk and present that. You understand? Because again, CJ Milan, I said it to you guys at the ending of last year or the beginning of this year that she is the promoter of the year 2025, right? And I believe...
Yeah man, she the promoter for the year, for real. Like, trust me. You see me? Promoter for the year. For real, for real. And you see anything CJ Milan do, she know what she do. So it's like there's no risk. You see me? CJ Milan know the artist can do this and it can be executed. You see me? And at the end of the day, you don't know a two brand reggae fest, new rules. Yeah. Partnership. You see me? Them do them thing. Yeah. You see me? But at the end of the day, two of them are represent dancehall same way. You see it? And we have to big up CJ Milan for that as well. As me say, she have the whole suite, everything. For make sure say, look here, them brand here, them artists here can under the roof here and highlight dancehall on a big scale where masses are crowd forward out in a big arena and say, yes, this is dancehall. You see me?
The reason that she's so successful is because she's seeing something that nobody else is seeing. And she's willing to gamble with artists that a lot of us are not willing to gamble with. And again, if you ask the average person in dancehall, yo, I'm going to put Alkaline in Barclays by himself, they're going to tell you that it couldn't work. Because I heard everybody saying that it cannot work.
Yeah, not by himself.
Yeah.
No. And that is the thing. You see, people that's saying that is people who don't believe in Alkaline, who don't like Alkaline. That is a problem. Remember that Alkaline did this in UK, in OVO Albion Arena. Alkaline been pulling big crowd. CJ know that herself. You understand? It's just that, you know, the whole thing about Barclays Center and numbers and every little thing. So you don't know people are gonna say things, people are gonna hate, them are gonna say yo ticket price, a bag of thing. You know that the politics in the dancer stay already. But CJ Milan know this. You understand? She know this. You see it, so when you hear people say that, them just people when not really like the artist or not believe in the artist. You see me?
I heard everybody saying that Alkaline could not do it by himself, but she took a gamble with it and she showed that it can happen. And her investment in Alkaline, right, in the Barclays, scores for the culture of reggae and dancehall, right? So we are continuing to score in the industry, like it or not. I just give credit where credit is due. We're scoring in our industry right now based on the efforts of CJ Milan. And if anybody disagree, you're an idiot or you're a hater, right? We are scoring. We are in a new level in dancehall entertainment because of CJ Milan and the risk that she takes with the artists and her productions. Yeah. Simple, hands down. So big up to CJ. You know what I mean? I can't big up Alkaline and a big arrow.
Yeah, it's big.
Yeah, man. For real, man. Big up CJ. You don't know. She make it work. She make it happen. You see me? That's one of them things that you don't know. She a mother out of this. You see it? You don't know. I think I showed it before in December, but you don't know Hurricane Melissa. But I guess, you know, in due time something I go start up back again with them, you know, do something again and you know, yeah, I saw it go. Things happen. You see it. But as I say, one of them things, they big up CJ Milan. You see me, and she says a humble, you know, it's a real businesswoman and she humble and you know, she not too in the railway, you know me I talk about. She not in the politics thing. She just do her business, work with whosoever artist, yeah, and just put her brand out there and just highlight dancehall and reggae. You see me? Yeah, man.
Are you ready? You ready for the dynamic duo?
Love it.
Stay tuned.
See you.
Yeah, man. Stay tuned.
Vado.
So you don't know the video? Yeah, man. The video she and Cartel, is it?
Hey, CJ.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
I'm good.
We in Baltimore.
Where are you?
Where the fuck are you?
Yeah.
Yo, big up yourself, CJ. Yo, I'm gonna tell you. Big up yourself, CJ Milan. You see me? Respect for, you know, for have the roof over dancehall where it can get highlighted on a huge scale. You understand? Because I tell people, you know, yes, you can have music, but music is like for the ears. But you see, like what CJ Milan do with shows where she keep these things, book these artists, these are for the eyes. So the music are for the ears, and these shows is for the eyes where people fall out and see different dancehall artists, massive crowd, and then people fans video, and it start go viral and every little thing. And then she keep her show again, and then people are going forward at these shows each and each time. You understand? So what she do is great. It good for the culture. You understand? Yeah. It good for the culture, me I tell you. Is it? And you know, as I say, everything happen for the right time. But you know, I wish in at least a little time, yeah, it did go on like you see like the massive scale now. You know, if it did go on like back then, based on the skills and everything, that would have good as well. But as I say, everything happen in due time. You see me? Everything have it time. I just one of them thing there. You see it? Yeah, man. So you don't know them there. She and Alkaline Kerry. You see it? Them a do them thing. You don't know Kimmy over there, so yeah. She and Kerry. Yeah, man, business. A two top promoter them. You see it? Yeah, man, two top promoter them, man. So I just one of them thing, the people. You see it? So as me say, for big up CJ Milan for that, you know? Because we don't really have much promoter where a highlight dancer like pana frequently on a massive scale like this. You see me? Because right now, Reggae Fest a lead. Them have the record right now. You see me? So I don't know who else did it. Is it because she you know, headline them, you know, have them arena, yeah. So, you know, the shelter for dancers, so yo, dancer artists can look on the lineup of Atlanta. You don't know she and New Rules. You don't know Miami the 22nd. And then you have June the 13th. You don't know you have Philly. You see me? I think she said the last two show them. The last two New Rules / Reggae Fest will be the last show for the year. You know, last merge, basically. Partnership thing. You see me? So, yeah. And she have couple more shows coming up as well. You see me? Who knows? You don't know CJ Milan. She always have a show, the man bag of thing. You see me? As me say, I hear CJ Milan have this, because I think she do a lot of shows. I think before Cartel come out, she been doing shows as well. You see me? But you don't know Cartel forwarding out. Is it give it a highlight in a way you don't know after incarcerated and everything and back into the US, you know? CJ Milan say, alright, got to get this going. Say, alright, yeah. Work with Cartel and yeah, that's it. You see me? Dancehall. A bag of things. You see, but she been doing it from a long time. You see me? She been doing it. You know, people might not see him, but you don't know. In this time, you know, like social media get more powerful now. So we see more things repost and you don't know, Cartel a forward out and everybody want to see. You don't know Cartel after so many years. You see it, so that will get a highlight. You see it, then you don't know things about CJ been had put in the work, man. Long time. She been had put in the work, man. You see it, have a show, Reggae Fest, and you know, because I think I see one show where, you know, before all of the trendings, you know, I think I see Movard and so on. Movard, I think I do one of them I see in a Barclays one time. You see me? Yeah, she been a do her shows them, man, but as I say, big respect to her. You see me? Yeah. And big up all of the artists them where I do them thing. You see, because I always say at the end of the day, every artist a contribute to dancehall. And that's the only way it can grow. It's like if you're in a farm, you see, say in a farming land, you're gonna need more than one people. So if you do wanna plow, wanna do this, is a contribute to the reaping of the crop. So every artist a contribute to the dancehall culture. It a go grow. You see me? I saw things grow. You see it? That's one of them things. But you know, big respect to CJ. You see me? For yeah, highlight them things, yeah. You know, have the access to the arena them. So them shows they can go on for kind of highlight the thing. You see it? Yeah, man. You don't know One Media Facts. You don't know. CJ, big up yourself. You don't know anything said. Yeah, man. That is it.